In this video, I am going to discuss about how to check consistency. So, for every AHP, we need to check whether the pairwise comparison is consistent or not. So, for the pairwise comparison check consistent or not, multiple number of times we have to allocate the scale of 1 to 9 in multiple trial and errors method depending upon the expert opinion and other alternatives. So now our criteria here, what we are having with us is, can we able to automate it? Is there any process to automate this kind of weight checking? So one such thing is available from the developer Nikhil Raj. So in this video, I will going to explain how this is going to be work and how we have to further move on to this Excel file where we have to get this file. These things I will try to enclose. So for now, I will take a simple example here. My objective is to purchase a car. So for purchasing a automobile, I am having 4 criteria. One is cost, safety, comfort, and mileage. And I am talking about only the consistency check. So I want to touch with the alternatives, because alternatives and all directly we can take the last value multiplied by the weight, we will get the alternative points. So first, my objective is to check whether I can able to have a consistency ratio less than 0.1. Okay. So here what we have to do is we have to know our problem. Problem is to purchase an automobile, and criteria are cost, safety, comfort, and mileage. So an Excel file is available with us like this in an analytical hierarchy process option pickup software. So here the first thing is we have to go with the start button, press the start, analytical hierarchy process. Let's begin. So this is developed by the developer Nikhil Raj. Okay. So here the first thing it is asking is enter the final objective. So my final objective is purchasing a car. That is my final objective, and I will press the start button. After pressing the start button, it is asking for the criteria. So if you try to observe here, we are having 4 criteria. No, cost, safety, comfort, and mileage. The same things I will enter it here. First one is cost. So after entering the cost, press OK button. Next it is asking enter enter more criteria or enter 2 if the criteria are over. So if you are having only 1 criteria, then no need to go for this thing also. Is it or not? So we are having 4 criteria. So I will enter 1 here and then press OK. So it is asking for the second criteria. My second criteria is safety. So safety. Then I will click OK. And again it is asking enter 1 to enter more criteria. I will enter 1. Then I will go for comfort as my third criteria. Next, one more criteria is there. I will go for 1 and press OK. Fourth criteria is mileage. Right? Okay. Now for me 4 criteria has been completed. So now I will press 2 button. 2 number I will give and press OK. So now it is asking that thank you for your info. Now tell me something about the nature of this criteria. So nature of this criteria is talking about whether the criteria, suppose cost, it should be low, safety, it should be high, comfort, it should be high, mileage, it should be high. Is it or not? For that one it is asking. So maximum criteria and minimum criteria. This option is the in general we can term it as maximum and minimum. So here type 0 for less. So cost should be less, 0, okay. Here it is asking cost, okay. Next safety should be more. I will press 1. Next comfort. So here comfort I will have 1, high. Next mileage also I will have high. I will press 1. Like this I have to enter my criteria. Now what I have to do is I have to go for clicking the proceed button so that it will open the pairwise comparison matrix. Now based upon this one, I have to equally assign this fundamental pairwise comparison scale based upon the importance 1357 or 2468 depending upon this one. See, already we have framed the table for this one. Here like this table we have framed. Now here what this Excel sheet is asking is, it is asking only one top cell. Like if you see in the diagonal it will be 1 only, because cost to cost it will be 1, safety to safety it will be 1. That is already we have entered it here. Okay. Now it is asking 6 comparisons we need to choose. What are the choose? You have chosen 4 criteria. Hence 6 comparisons will be made. Means suppose if I choose cost to safety to cost will be reciprocal. Is it or not? Here you can see cost to safety is 1/7, whereas safety to cost will be 7. That will be reciprocal of this one, particular one. So what I will try to do is, I will try to enter these 6 values, okay, by seeing this particular table, okay. So automatically these things will be get updated, okay. That is also we can one of the good feature of this particular consistency checking software, okay. So now what I have to do is, here it is asking how much do you value the cost to the safety. So cost to the safety I am having 1 divided by 7. So here I will give it as, I will press this button and I will give it as 1 divided by 7 cost to the safety, okay. 1 divided and press OK. Next it is asking comparison for the second one, that is cost to the comfort. This one it is asking cost to the comfort, that is 1 divided by 5. I will press OK. Next cost to the mileage, that is 1 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3. You can verify cost divided by cost to mileage is 1 divided by 3 and press OK. Next it is asking safety to comfort. Safety to comfort is 2. Safety to comfort is 2. Okay. Next safety to mileage. Safety to mileage you can verify. Safety to mileage is 3. Safety to mileage is 3. Next again comfort to mileage, that is the last one. Okay. Comfort to mileage is 3. It is asking last comparison, enter the score criteria flashed in this form. Okay, press enter. Okay, that's all. We can verify it whether our things are correct or not. 1753, 1/2, everything is correct here. Then just click the button proceed. So if you click the button proceed, then it will pop up a window called as congratulations, your consistence are your criteria are consistent to go ahead. Your consistency ratio is 2.3, means into 10 power minus 2, that is your consistency ratio will be 0.023, means it is less than 1. So we can able to proceed. Even if we have calculated here also, you can see our consistency ratio is 0.23, which is less than 1. The same example which you have done the manual calculation in the Excel, the same thing we are getting here. Even this Excel file will also give us some other good things, like if you can see, I will press proceed. Okay, I will just close this one. Normalized matrix, criteria weights. So these weights also it will give for cost how much weight. Those things also we have evaluated here. You can see the weights 0.526, 0.428, 0.3185. All these weights are available here. Even that consistency ratio table also it will give. Even consistency index, what is the value and what is the sum, everything will be stored here. So that is the beauty of this software. So the more details about the software will be like this. The details about this consistent check software or app, this was being developed by Nikhil Raj. He is one of the good developer, you can observe. Okay, so you can contact the developer for any modifications in the AHP software. I will give the email ID of the developer in the description below for this video, and this Excel app can be modified into the mobile app also if someone needs it. Then the users can contact the developer for any maintenance or bug issues. The users can also contact if they wish any projects on MS Excel, MS Access, SQL, VBA, Python, JS and Android app. One of the best developer I can say. See, very easily he can able to modify these things. AHP software is more important because every time in our problems we need to check the consistency ratio. You can contact by the email ID so that he will respond. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more interesting videos like this.